This is an answer for 856 channel in the video about changing cameras with an algorithm, and I really liked your video, and am proposing to you to, instead of changing the cameras with random times, you could do something very simple, just like in your first sample, that you manually change the cameras with the beats of the music. I will not play it because copyright, so I don't know how it works in YouTube. But what I'm proposing to you is to change the cameras using an algorithm for extracting the bits. It's really simple with librosa. Librosa is a Python library, and you could do it with just 4 lines of code. So this is the original audio. Okay, just a second. It's sounding a little bit awful because I'm using the mic in the computer. It's not the mic in the screen recording. And this is the same audio using the beats. It is automatically extracted using librosa. And something you could do is you get an array with the bits and change the cameras from 8 bits to 8 bits, like 2 bars. And I think you would have a result just like in the first sample. So if you have any doubts, you can contact me, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed.